Ready to transform your videos from bland to hilarious? Alright, let's dive in. I'm going to show you how to edit funny moments in Adobe After Effects, turning your footage into comedic gold. First, let's start by importing your footage into After Effects. Click on File, then Import, and find what you want to use. Then create a new composition, and drag your footage into the timeline panel. Now, the key to comedy timing is precision. The first tip: emphasize the funny part. Use the razor tool on the timeline to cut your footage and isolate the funniest moment. Then, make sure the clip is highlighted. Go to where it needs to be, and highlight it on the timeline using the C key for the razor tool. Next, let's play with speed. Slowing down a clip or slow motion can amplify the comedic effect, especially after a pratfall or unexpected event. Right-click on the clip on the timeline, then click Time, and finally Time Stretch. Slow down the clip, preview, and adjust until you like the rhythm. The next tip is to use visual gags, add text or graphics to emphasize the humor. Think about it. You could write what the person is thinking or show a thought bubble. To illustrate this, select and drag a text box on the preview monitor and create a thought bubble, or add text inside with a humorous phrase. And finally, for a dramatic and funny effect, use sound effects. Sound effects set emphasis and context when playing the clip. Add a bowing sound effect when a person hits a pole, or a wah-wah to build suspense. Find sound effects you like, but use sparingly. Play your video and edit and adjust it until you find your perfect hilarious moment. Boom, you just created comedy gold. That's it. Now start experimenting with your footage to make your video funny. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and share your funny edits using the hashtags #funnyedits and #videocomedy.